Hey everyone, well we've got a weird little situation here. I just fixed up a machine and it's come back shortly after because it wouldn't power on, and this is why. You can see the poor little FPC connect flex has finally given up the ghost. Now this is one of the friction fit type FPCs. With the circuit board you have to actually push in the cable, so basically the cable becomes a stressed member on the way in. I mean, you do have these little blue tabs that supposedly help, but they don't do diddly squat. And so yeah, it's broken after too many cycles, and now we have to replace it. But the problem is I just threw out all of my laptop scraps yesterday because I was doing a purge, and guess who doesn't have a 1mm pitch 4-way flex anymore? What I have managed to find is this. It's 4-way, it's 1mm pitch, but it's got a soldered end, and I need a socketed end. But let's see, I'm gonna have a shot and see if I can make this work. Try and decide whether I can get away with soldering this onto what was the socketed end, or whether I can cut this and trim it back. Yeah, I should just cut that straight off anyway. So this is where it needs to go. I'm almost tempted to just solder this on. There's a lot less drama. The only thing I have to be careful of is to get the orientation right. So let's see, this is how it would be put in. So it's a case of the traces on the underside. And let's just hot air this off. We should be able to do it at a reasonably low temperature that it will come off without melting too much. There, we melted. Oh well. Alright, let's see if we can do the job. So this here basically looks like it goes through a twist at least. Plug the power in. Hope things don't go bang. Let's see if we can get a fan spin. Alright, we're good. A bit of a hack job, but it'll work. And at least that's not going to tear out anymore. And we've got a screen coming up now. There we go. We're working.